Hi all, this is Hani. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Code with Hani. Today we are going to solve July date 31st LeetCode challenge, which is Bitwise OR of Subarrays. So they will be giving us an integer array and we have to return the number of distinct bitwise OR of all non-empty subarrays of array. So what they are telling, they'll be giving us an array, right? So if you keep on doing bitwise of each subarray, for example 1 is a subarray, 1 is a subarray, and 1 2 is a subarray, 2 separately is a subarray. Okay, like this, these are the possible subarrays. Among this, what are the results coming? 1 1 2 1 3 3, right? So in this, what is the unique value? 1 2 and 3. So we have to return only those count. Got it? Yeah. Now let's take a look at the example. This is the example that I have taken. Now we will debug and we will figure it out how we are going to approach this and how we will count what are the unique subarray. So first we will be trying for let's take, okay, we will be traversing through this loop, right? Now we will be taking initially 1, then 1 2, then we will be, if you see this, here our value will be 1, here 3, so here again comes 3 only. We will be having 3, here also 3, here it will be 7. Got it? So here, okay, now we know from starting from 1 what is the value. Now from 2, now what are the subarrays for 2? Double subarrays. So here 2 3 is also 3 3 7 and 7. Subarrays will be here. Answer is, let's have it as a 3 now. 3 3. Initially 3 will be 3 3 3 also 3 3 3 4 will be 7 3 3 4 5 will be 7. Got it? Now 4 5 will be generally giving us, even if you, now we have taken all this. Now starting from this 3 already we have, and also will give us the same 7 7. So at the last 4 gives us separate 4 and 4 5 gives us 4 separately will give 4 4 5 will give 7, right? Now 5 separately will give 5. So now what are the unique values among this? 1 3 7 4 5. Like separately, answer will be 2, right? Oh yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, and by doing XOR of all we are getting max 7. So now what we are going to do, so at this point, okay, we need only set, okay, once we what in range length of nums. So for j in range I plus 1, and you can do XOR of all the values I plus 1 till length of the nums. Okay, you can do XOR of all nums of I XOR. Currently we'll be having answer equals to 0. Current or value equals to 0. Now you can do current or XOR equals to nums of j. Okay, or here you can have nums of I, then if you do all the values, so with 1 you will have current XOR of 1 2, then 1 2 3, all this 1 2 will be having 1 2 3. So for particular I you will have XOR of 1 2 1 2 3 1, so that you can put it in some set. Let's have answer as a set, and you can put answer equals to current or, so that will have a set of all the unique 1 3 7 everything. Then we can return the length of the answer that we can do, so which will gives us whatever the unique values that we got okay, set will have, so initially I will be here, right? So then j will go from initially current XOR will be current over, j will go from 1 to, so the subarray will be like this. So whatever with 1, whatever the subarray which we can form, that will keep on adding it to the set like this, 1 2, what this values will be adding it to the current XOR the set. Next I loop will go here, the same will be continue. So now here the order of time complexity will be order of n square. How we can avoid this time complexity? So if you see, while we are traversing here to I, here, whatever it is, we would have computed this XOR already, right? Instead of from here navigating traverse back, anyway we will be coming at this point, right? What if, for example, what I'm trying to say is, okay, now what we will be doing first, initially we will be traversing through this I, okay. Now we will be traversing, now my I is this, initially I will have a set, current set I will have as a 0, okay. So it's not mandatorily we should we wanted only unique, even though if you compute 1 2 3 as well as 1 2 3 3, our value is 3. Why to have this 2 subarrays, and for the next value anyway we need only 1 3, right? What if we store this XOR in a set? We'll be traversing through this I, okay. Now I'll be storing 1 to the set. What are the unique values that I'm getting in the current by traversing from here? I'll be appending. When I'm going here, what are the unique values that I got, that I will do XOR instead of traversing through the whole array. Let's see how it works. For example, I'll be traversing I in the range. Now my current is a set of 0. Now what I'll be doing, nums of I XOR of y. Y is nothing but for y in current, okay. The current will hold whatever the XOR that we got previously, okay. And you have to take that value itself separately, that you will be appending to the set at the end. Once we have done with XOR of all the value, then I am appending num of I to the set itself. Then whatever the values that I am getting to this in this current XOR, that I will be updating to my answer. So this will, now this is nothing but union, okay, union of this set and current set. This is XOR, this is OR, okay. This will do OR operation. This is nothing but it is a set, and it will do the union of whatever the values that is present and then the current OR. Okay, this is also the union, okay. This is OR and this is union of both the sets. Got it? Okay. Now what we are going to do? Now our I will go first. Initially our I will be here. Now nums of I is initially it has 0. So now our current set is having only 0. So nums of I 1, OR of 0 we will get 1. So and our num of I is 1. So union of this both, what we will be getting, our answer now will be getting updated to set 1. Got it? So now we will have it as a 2. Now our I is 1, which is 2 or 1 we will be getting. Now basically what we are doing, at till this point, whatever the XOR I got, which is 1, I am doing unique XOR, unique R that I got, I will be doing OR of the current num, and I am taking that num of I as well separately maybe that is some other unique value, right? So I'm doing union. So when you are doing union, what it will happen, it will give us what all the unique values. Okay, because it's a set, right? So when you are doing union of both the sets, it will pick only what are the unique values. So that's why we are taking the set here. So 2 or 1 will give us 3. Now 3 or 2, now these both are unique. So now the current set will have 2 comma 3. So when you are doing answer, already answer has 1. Now it will form 2 as well as 3. Now if you see this point, what are subset generation will be 1 1 2. Okay, so these will have 1 3, and if you take 2 separately in consideration, now we got 3 subset values, right? All these values we have formed by traversing through the unique. Next our I will go here. Now 3 and y will be having 1 2 3. But if you see, if you do XOR of 1 2 3, so now with this 3, what all our subset generation will be? Now if you are including 3, what are subarray? Let's assume this is till this point only I have the nums. Now what are subarrays will be 1 2 3 separately, right? Then 1 2 we would have already calculated and added in the unique. So 1 2 3, even if it is repeating, we wanted only unique subarray, so that's why we are just taking this XOR value in a set. So even though some arrays which will give us the same value, we don't need that. We will be with this particular num, I am going to calculate what are the unique R value that I got, and this including this, if am I getting any unique values. Now if you see all this, if you do XOR of 1 3 3, which is already in the 3 1, will be our current array will be 3 3 2, still 3 3 3 will be still getting 3. So this current array with including this 3, that is, it is forming only 3 3 3. As you see here, with this 3, it is forming 3 only for with any subarrays. Okay, so only these 3 we are getting, the subarrays we are getting, and so it doesn't contribute any unique value. So it is checking or of this is one set and this is another set. See, only we are getting when you are doing union, what we will be getting, our current array will be 3. So already 3 has an answer, so it will not get appended. So till this point we have formed all the subarrays that will contribute. Till this point we have found out all the unique R, and we have did or with the current num. Still we didn't get any unique, so there is no point of having that in our answer, because we already have 1 3. We also need only 1 3. Okay, now next 3 comes also the same. Again it will form the same and it will get appended when 4 comes. Now I will go to 4. Okay, 4 or 3, what will be giving, will get 7, and nums of I is 4, so 4 7. Now our current is 4 7, and nums of I, this 4 7 is not present in previous answer, so now it will get updated to 4 7. So this nums of I will have all the answer will have all the unique combination. Current will have at till this subarray what are all the unique, and if you keep on doing or what are the values we will be getting. So now this point, if when the 4 comes, see 4 comes, we don't have anything other than 4 7. So now our current will have the subarray 4 7. Now 5 comes. Okay, when the so now till this point, now we keep on generating whatever the subarrays that we can. So generally, how we will form the subarray 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So basically, what we are doing, we are when you are traversing till this point, what are the subarrays that we are getting, and that in that what are the unique combinations of XR we have, we will keep it in a current. So at till this point we have only 7 and 4 are the unique combinations of OR values. Answer will have all the unique XR value that we got from the different subarrays, but till this point we know we would have included 4 as well to the subarray, and if you include 4, what are the results? We have only 4 and 7. Got it. Now we have current as a 4 and 7. Our answer will include 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Now when 5 comes, or 7. Okay, 5 or 7 still will give, and only will be getting, then 4 or 5. 1, which is nothing but 5. So now we are our current will be 7 and 5. 7 comma 5, and number of I is 5. So answer will include already. This is our current subset. Okay. Answer has 7 already. Now it will include 5. So this is our final answer. What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 unique result. So the time complexity for this is, we are traversing n, and we will be traversing through the unique combinations that we have in the previous subarray. So let's assume the unique value you will be getting as a W. Let's assume we are traversing, this is n to the length of the nums, and for each at each particular point this will have different unique OR values, right, that we have taken W. If you want, then we'll be having some value of log. This will be the log of n we are taking, because to the max it's not like always it will have, the current will have all the values. It will be somewhat lesser than n, so we are taking log n. Space complexity is order of 1. Yeah, this is the exact solution that we used to solve this LeetCode question. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Yeah, if you do like my video, please do like and share it with your friends. I'll be providing a GitHub link which will have solutions in all the language. If you have further questions or didn't understand any part, maybe you can go try debug there using the solution. Yeah, thanks for watching.